Hello children. Yes, in previous class what we had studied? Yes, we had learned O sound words and I know you all are good children. So, you must have learned these words very well and I told you to write this word one time. So, I know you must have written it, right? Okay. Today, we are going to make few short sentence with O sound word. Now, we are familiar with the words, so it will be very easy for us. So, what you can do? Yes, you can look at the picture and we will try to form a short sentence. Okay children, so all of you look here. Okay, first tell me, what you can see here? Yes, dog. And can you see down, what is that? Yes, it is a log. What it is children? Log. So, you have to repeat after me. The dog sat on a log. Again, the dog sat on a log. What does that mean? The dog is sitting on a log, right? Okay. Now look down. What you can see? Yes, these all are your friends. What they are doing? They are sitting. Yes, all of you look here. And what they are doing? Yes, they are eating. What they are eating? They are eating healthy food, right? Okay, so all of you repeat after me. Eat healthy food. Once again children, eat healthy food. Means we must always eat healthy food. We must not eat junk food. Healthy food is what? What is prepared at home by your mummy. Okay, you must not eat chips, pizza, burger. Those are junk food which is not good for our health. Okay. Now, all of you look this side. Yes, tell me. Who is he? Yes, boy. And that boy is having something in his hand. Can you see? Yes, you all play with that. What is that? Correct. Top. What is that children? Top. So, you have to repeat after me. The boy with a top. Come on, say. The boy with a top. Once again. The boy with a top. Very good. Now, can you see? Yes. What they are doing? What is that girl doing? She is putting her finger in the mouth. That is bad. It is not good. Right? So, repeat after me. Don't put your fingers in your mouth. Once again. Don't put your fingers in your mouth. What? We must not put our fingers in our mouth. It is not good. Okay. Again, once again you are going to repeat after me. Don't put your fingers in your mouth. So, children, you have to try and learn these sentences. It is very easy. Okay. Now, be ready for activity. Okay. I know you like to do this, right? So, be ready with your book and a pencil. Okay. Now, what we are going to do? Yes, we are going to look at the picture. Now, tell me, first I will ask you what is this picture, okay? Come on, tell me, what is this? Yes, Mama uses at home, no? She do mopping with it, right? Yes, now look here. What is this? Yes, it is a box. Now, look here. Correct. We learn now. What is that? That is a log. And yes, meow, that is cat. Okay. So, now what we are going to do? We are going to circle the correct word. There are two words written on the board. The correct one you are going to circle. Okay. But for that you have to look at the picture properly and you are going to read the words. Correct? So, look here. Now, you have to repeat after me. What is the first word? M-O-P, mop. Come on, repeat. M-O-P, mop. And the second word is T-O-P, top. Again, T-O-P, top. Which is the correct word? Yes, mop. So, what we are going to do? Yes, we are going to circle mop. Now, look at the second picture. Yes, first we are going to read the word and you are going to repeat after me. B-O-X box. Come on, say children. B-O-X, box. And the second word is F-O-X, fox. Once again, F-O-X, fox. And which is the correct word? Correct. It is box. So, what we are going to do? Good. We are going to circle it. Now, look this side. Yes, again there are two words and we have to circle the correct one. So, for that we are going to learn the spelling. You have to repeat after me. L-O-G, log. Once again, L-O-G, log. And what is this? D-O-G, dog. Again, D-O-G, dog. This is a dog? No. Then what is that? Correct. Log. So, what we are going to do? We are going to circle log. And you have to repeat after me. C-A-T, cat. Once again children, C-A-T, cat. Look at another word. What is that? R-A-T, rat. Repeat. R-A-T, rat. And which is the correct word? Very good. This is a picture of a cat. So, we are going to circle a cat. Okay. Now, again, can you see few more pictures? Yes. So, you are going to look at the first picture. Tell me, which animal is that? Come on, all of you think. You all know. Yes, it is a goat. Now, look here down. What is that? Yes, we learned just now. It is a pod, green piece, right? Now, look down. This picture was here. What is that? Log. So, now what we are going to do? There are words, but it is incomplete. We are going to complete those words. So, for that you must know the spelling. So, look at the picture. The first picture is goat. And come on, try and tell me the spelling of goat. Okay? Yes, G-O-A-T, goat. But can you see children, G is written. So, we are not going to write G. So, what we will write? G, then we are going to write O, A, and T is written. Okay? So, all of you repeat after me. G-O-A-T, goat. Once again, G-O-A-T, goat. Now, look at this picture. Correct. Pod. What is that? Pod. Okay. Can you see? The initial sound is already written. So, now we are going to write only the rhyming sound. So, what will be that? Correct. O-D, odd. Right? So, we are going to write P is already written. So, we are going to write O, P, O, D, pod. All of you repeat P, O, D, pod. Once again, P, O, D, pod. And look down. The last picture, what is that? Yes, log. And can you see which alphabet is written here? L. So, now what we are going to write? What is the spelling of log? Come on, all of you know now. Try. Yes, good. L-O-G, log. Okay, so now L is already written. So, we are going to write O and G. So, now you are going to repeat after me. L-O-G, log. Once again, L-O-G, log. So, this way children, you can do these activities at home and learn it properly. Be good children and obey your parents.